Went through Leeds Bradford Friday morning. It used to be busy on a Friday, did Leeds Bradford. Doesn't seem to be busy anymore. New terminal, as we all know now. Massive tap and brew, £8.39 for a pint of lager, but that's standard. Didn't stop me having one. And this is the queue for the plane out one of the new gates. Picked a good day to go, as I said, back end of November.
Perfect, got the front steps.
Was a bit confused by this ramp because I thought, oh, it's wheelchairs only, but it wasn't. I walked straight past it.
Morning, how are we doing?
These girls, flown with them a few times. Off and running.
Need and require it, and it's to a pre-booked and in your party one needs to be with you.
Have a lovely time.
Thank you. Air bridge. Always seems to be an air bridge. Thought somebody dropped a fiver there. I'm going to grab that then. Everybody's kind of surveying what the scene was. Those Shrek-style queues, I call them. So, like, you know, when Shrek went to see Lord Farquhar, we had those long, bendy queue. But they were really well organised. We're taking people out in batches and taking them up to the machines in order. And it was all symbols. I think you just pressed the Union Jack, even though everything was kind of done for you in graphics. Read your kind of chip on your passport, and then, as you'll see, took a photo. A fella kept walking behind me, and I kept getting an error saying you've got to be on your own, dipstick.
Glasses off?
Yeah, can I move your glass, please? Okay,
So that was like a 30-second, 45-second process. I freeze-framed it a couple of times there so it looks longer. And then we were just led straight back out again to the normal passport queue because apparently they've got to tie the information up. So they're taking that information from those new scanners, which then feeds into their existing passport scanners. So as you see, it wasn't as quick as normal on the passport scanner. I can only assume that's because it was tying the information up from the new scanners to the old scanners. And then presumably when it's fingerprints time, next time, it'll be a similar kind of wait. But then we're done and dusted then for, I think, however long your passport lasts, and I've just renewed mine, even though it wasn't actually due.
Oh, it's unlucky. Could do 12.
Got extra pages, like a dipstick, but you're not going to get stamped anymore now, so I didn't really need extra pages. So here we go, yeah, reading it all. Seems to take forever. Again, like 10-15 seconds.
Yeah.
So funny. Stamping booth has been moved over a little bit. Still stamping until the fingerprints thing is done. We're very cheerful, these people on the passport. I suppose you get thousands of people every day, so they're not paid to be cheerful, are they? But there you go. They're always quite chatty at Leeds Bradford on your way back. Village people guy here wasn't really having it.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So heading out now. I think I do say something to the camera. The camera was around my neck, which is why I could film everything. Just a little DJI Action 2.
So if you can hear me now on camera, that was nowhere near what people were saying. Sat with people on the plane saying it's a nightmare, etc., etc. I heard the word doing fingerprints, which they didn't, and it was 10 minutes maximum. I don't know what all the fuss is about.
So taxi time. There's a pint of Tropical with my name on, 10 minutes down the road.
Just one. Hi, how are we doing? Hola. Hello.
Porto del Carmen regulars will recognise the Spots filling station there, look, whatever it's called.
Let's have a quick look over the road.
Whilst I've got you, if you don't mind commenting, liking or subscribing, that would be great. Make an old man very happy. Sunshine over Porto Galero. And here we go. Whoa.
Please comment, like and subscribe. It helps us a lot and it's completely free.
Captain, rented dates.